Now, watch this. Hey, you wa baya bia. Yes, Galamsey, amena dani dechi. Was sorry anajo. Ne yamakano. Or dimirika kwa yane so. Wakoto Galamsey amenenim. Well, patron her video no. Maybe I'm not can IMF doing that so much. Yeah, Captain Smart. Oh, ja. The fletcher excavator you do Galamsey next one. Eti edu baby no e Galamsey amana ti dia the excavator san fa funu no fi amana nim. A 23-year-old innocent lady.
Oh, I don't know.
Captain Smart, the king of morning shows.
Bibini, oh, oh.
Yes, see, Galamsey amana.
Bibini, oh.
Ye two amana na to. Right in the middle of the town.
Bibini, oh, oh.
Samimi kaya si bo Captain Smart anoso. It's more back to me. Hey, you guys can arrest me 6 million times. And I am repeating, come on, take me. I want you to convert Nanado's bedroom to a court. And the Chief Justice should swear Nanado in as the judge. And pay the wife as the court clerk. One of his children as the court registrar. And the remaining children as the court clerks. Me, I will never stop talking. I will never be afraid. I am not perturbed. I am not moved. Listen, whatever I got to say, I will say it. Convert Nanado's bedroom into a court. Ask Nanado himself to come and arrest me. I will not stop. Because I see a new Ghana. And trust you me. That we will build Ghana to an extent. First, you guys will see that Ghana and you will come bow before us to the glory of the Lord. Not me. You guys will come bow before us to the glory of the living Jehovah.
Amen. Oh.
Shadia abaya no yesi ya Galamsey amana. Wakomuni hwe se de krona krake. Na ye no an se na bi nti oduma se kono ngwa bonti so ye tu Galamsey. Shadanya wo krom ho. These are current videos. And I can't see him penny for the men do what I want to be at the TV. I don't see I am not some power no banner some person sham who say abaya yo wu ye me mama I give woman kwa hwe me ka bibia kira say sometimes with me dasa na matue sun me susa wani woni ma dia me hwehwe me penua ba
I don't take shot, I take madness.
Eh? Me you free so me bufu. You be next video no nyabo tema me he. Mitimi da na jo mitimi susa. Na super hinimi. You know why? I come in person da. Me di me mama 100th birthday. Wani. I come in one year ba bigina me nchen.
King of morning shows.
Oh my God. Na kama twamani ahwe me bonkum so ma hwe me nua ba na nim. Wani. Na makasa sister. Yen konko boa grandma. Na ye mama, yen konboa mommy. Na on cutting a cake. But let's say me nua ba. Me Ankonam Company Limited. It's one of my companies. My register no Ankonam Company Limited. And the BGS group of companies. Me and media. Who ankona mo baby stop talking.
Onua.
Show me the farm, me ni nua ba ma o, me ni nua ba. Eti abaya ya wawu ya ye sanka.
Onua.
Ne busuafo mpompe no. Na wo mo de ne koma me maame.
Onua.
Se nya wo na wo no. Nanso fa no se wo ba. Ka me wo nua ba. Eti ka me pedo. Kebeye me akono se. Enso hwabaya kama. Galamsey amena. Wasori anopa ne yamaka no 23-year-old girl. Lady, Mr. say girl.
Onua.
A 23-year-old lady. Wasori ahomachi kwa koja ne nan.
Bini au.
Ene mere wiase mu ye de excavator na afa na free Galamsey amenam. Ebe Ghana for. Ebe Ghana for.
Bini grabe de wiase.
Enti yen China IMF mra.
Ojaye.
Asi esisa amenan.
Ojaye. Bini au.
Really?
Ojaye. Bini enipa o.
Yeah. Saying I don't even want to believe say Galamsey amena. I don't even want to believe it.
Onua.
But whatever amena it is, there is an amena.
Onua.
You see? Amena da ho hwe said their dynasty akrake. Eti MC ni ho.
Bini au.
Regina, oh my God, save this country.
Hey,
my
yo.
God, save this country.
Hey yo, Misuana. Ojaye.
Entino, apostle for ye show what building in the hall. Apostle for dying kura krake.
Ojaye.
Police for dying mwadja. This is the pain we're going through. That is why we are talking.
Onua.
Our respectable Ochehene.
Ojaye.
We are not witches and we are not wizards. Look at such a beautiful, innocent lady. I am Miguel and Campeu.
Onua.
I am Miguel and Campepa.
Onua.
Oya wonso girl na wo yire anka wo pe. Oya wunua ba anka wo pe. Such an innocent, beautiful lady.
Onua.
She's just lost her life.
Bini au.
NIB. When the two amena no ho.
Ojaye.
Mo meche me ne.
Ojaye.
And some four shabatakari to say me nua ba ya we free me batakari.
Ojaye. Onua.
And a BNI. NIB. So what year Juma was Dankwa Institute? You can never become a head of a security institution in this country. NIB penny or penny atobra. Kohona kwawe.
Fellow Ghanaians.
Ojaye.
Go and arrest
Ojaye.
whoever dug that pit.
Ojaye.
These are the things I keep hammering. But listen, I keep telling you, my producer says that, wait, if I wear the president is coming on,
Onua.
the BM, yes, I'm God will say, Papa, hold on.
Onua.
But please, producer, spare me this. If I wear the president,
Captain Smart.
if I wear the president, Galamsey is a 21-day problem and it will be solved within 21 days. I swear.
Ojaye.
He is
Take
smart.
this from me.
He is unique.
Obi oni ma